Hi guys, Aibowan Vanakkam Assalamu Alaikum. Welcome to Self Motive channel. In the last video we saw about the famous scientist APJ Abdul Kalam. His life story will be motivate to the young generation. Now today we will see about Sir Isaac Newton. Isaac Newton was born on 1642 in Woolsted in England, nearby the Gloucester Woods. After his father's death 3 months ago, Isaac Newton was born. After his mother, some days long, his mother remarried to another one. After he lived with his grandmother. After he went to school to study, and he was not interested in study before that. After that, a small situation changed him. I am telling this situation that a big student, class first coming student rank, he told that he came to fight with Isaac Newton, and Isaac Newton also told, I also coming for fighting, and Isaac Newton won the fight, and he told that I must not win in the fight. I too win in the studies, and I should improve my goals, and I should success my target. After he started to study more than from this, he was a good student. He invented waterproof watch in 14 years old. After his family was poverty, after he lived his studies in age 14 years old. After 1661, his uncle gave him the study to study, and in the Cambridge University, Galileo, Copernicus, Kepler, Descartes started studying their theorems very intelligently. In 1665, he invented binary number system. He won the university and Cambridge. He won the university in Cambridge. Like coronavirus started spreading in that area. After that, his university is closed. For the reason he studied in the home, and he studied hardly in the home. Nowadays we all having Zoom, WhatsApp, Facebook, others we can see video. In that days there were no apps like that. Know that. After like 2 years study, he researched in 1665, and in 1665 he won the bachelor's of degree. After some days, generalized binomial expressions, theorem, infinite decimals, calculus, surface area, volume, etc. In 1607, in the 25th year in Trinity College, he joined as a physical lecturer, etc. He invented telescope in 1961 and see the Jupiter for the first time in the telescope. In 1669, mathematics and lecture. After some days, he joined the Royal Society members. How Isaac Newton invented gravitational force we will see. One day he was sitting in the side of the window. He full sees the apple tree. After he thought that why apple is falling down, and he thought, and why is falling down, not going up. That he thought again. Example, when we put a ball up, it is falling down, and when we put something, it is falling down. And he researched and he invented this is a gravitational field. He invented rules of operations, especially 3, until an unbalanced force applied on it, bodies at rest remain stationary, and bodies in the motion continue to move at the uniform velocities. The acceleration of a body is directly proportional to the unbalanced force acting on it. What is inversely proportional? The acceleration means in the car, when we push the acceleration, the car started to moving speedily more than that. Third, we will see for every action there is an equal and opposite force. After he wrote de Methodist theorem in Flobrium. In the 25th year, Newton versus Latenius, the fight came in the Newton versus Latenius. After in the 25th year, he was struggle, and 25th year he is telling that theorem is wrong, that this theorem is wrong. After he did not live, he success. He proved that his theorem is right. In 1669, for mathematical, he won the Linus MX award. He wrote books such as in 1687 Mathematic Principle of National Philosophy. In 1694 he suffered from uncured disease. He suffered and his studies were not going that days. For after everyone told him that his brain is upset and his brain is not working hard. After that he wrote books to the young generation. Methods of Lorentzian in 1761, optics in 1704, arithmetic universalis in 1607. 1705, England Queen gave him the award for a guaranteed sir. And he died in 1727, March 20, in Westminster Abbey. He was buried. This is a very motivational video. I think this video will help to the who are trying to success in the life. We can learn a lesson from this. If we fall down, we must get up and come. That can change a life. We must not go back. We must confront. We must not see anyone who are telling that and this. We must come. We must be confident of us. I can do it. I can do that. We must come in front of this. And thank you guys for subscribe our channel, and thank you guys for seeing our videos. Like our channels, more useful. If you had a knowledge with this video, share this video to everyone. If you have a comment, if you have an upset with this video, please comment in the comment section. And I will see you in the next video. See you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. Thank you guys.